How to make money with ChatGPT. Welcome to this captivating video where we delve into the realm of earning money with ChatGPT. Get ready to unlock the secrets of harnessing the power of this groundbreaking artificial intelligence, as we reveal how you can turn your conversations into lucrative opportunities. Brace yourself for an eye-opening journey as we explore the endless potential of ChatGPT for financial success. In today's world, technological advancements have opened up new possibilities for generating revenue online. One of the most recent and exciting developments is the emergence of artificial intelligence-based language models such as ChatGPT. This revolutionary technology has tremendous potential for those who want to make money online, whether as content creators, entrepreneurs, or independent professionals. So today we'll explore the different ways you can leverage ChatGPT to make money, by leveraging its unique capabilities and exploiting the opportunities it offers. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a talented writer, or an ambitious entrepreneur, this video will give you an overview of strategies and methods to capitalize on the lucrative potential of ChatGPT. Creating paid content. One of the most promising ways to make money with ChatGPT is to create paid content based on interactions with the model. You can develop consulting, coaching, or mentoring services using ChatGPT as a support tool, providing a personalized and valuable experience for users. Let's take the example of personal development coaching. You can offer virtual coaching sessions where users can interact with ChatGPT to discuss their goals, challenges, and aspirations. With its ability to generate answers and recommendations based on the information provided, ChatGPT can help define concrete steps, provide motivational guidance, and support users in their personal development journey. Coaching sessions can be tailored to the specific needs of each individual, providing a personalized and highly engaging experience. Similarly, you can leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to provide consulting services in areas such as business, finance, marketing, health, nutrition, technology, and more. Users can ask specific questions and receive detailed, informative answers based on the knowledge and information built into ChatGPT. You can also provide personalized recommendations, strategies, or action plans to help users achieve their goals in these areas. One of the benefits of this approach is that you can provide consulting services to people anywhere in the world, without being limited by geographic distance. By using online communication platforms, you can interact with your clients and provide advice in real time, creating an interactive and immersive experience. To monetize these services, you can charge hourly fees, session packages, or monthly subscriptions to access your expertise and support provided by ChatGPT. It is important to provide real value and expertise to justify the fees charged. By developing a solid reputation and providing tangible results to your clients, you can build a loyal customer base and gradually increase your revenue. Virtual support. Another interesting way to make money with ChatGPT is to use it as a virtual assistant for businesses and professionals looking to automate their customer service. By developing chatbots based on ChatGPT, you can create virtual assistants that can answer customer questions, provide information about products or services, or even perform basic transactions. ChatGPT-based chatbots can be programmed to understand and interact with customers in a conversational manner, providing an enhanced and more natural user experience. Businesses can benefit from these virtual assistants by reducing the costs associated with hiring additional staff to handle customer inquiries. Chatbots can be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, allowing companies to provide support at any time, which is especially beneficial for companies operating on a global scale. As a developer of ChatGPT-based chatbots, you can offer your services to companies interested in this virtual support solution. You can charge a monthly fee for setting up and managing the chatbot, or opt for a pay-per-use pricing model, where companies pay based on the number of interactions or transactions processed by the chatbot. However, it's critical to develop intelligent, well-trained chatbots that can provide accurate and relevant responses. You'll need to train your ChatGPT model with company-specific data, providing it with information about products, services, and answers to frequently asked customer questions. Once the chatbot is configured and operational, you'll be able to provide a valuable service to businesses, allowing them to improve their customer service and reduce operational costs. Writing and editing. If you are a writer or editor, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool to help you in your work. With its text generation capabilities, ChatGPT can be used to generate content ideas, suggested wording, and turns of phrase. This use of ChatGPT can dramatically speed up your content creation process and improve its overall quality. When you're faced with a blank page and are struggling to come up with ideas, ChatGPT can help you generate creative suggestions. You can simply give it a guideline or general description of what you're looking for, and it can provide you with a list of ideas to build on. This can be especially useful for bloggers, article writers, or content designers who need to constantly generate new ideas to feed their online platforms. In addition, ChatGPT can also suggest wording and turns of phrase to help you structure your content in a clear and compelling way. If you are stuck in your writing, you can ask him for advice on how best to phrase a specific sentence or idea. This will help you overcome writing obstacles and create content faster and more efficiently. In addition, ChatGPT can be used to perform basic editing of your content. You can submit your texts to it and have it review them for grammatical errors, clarity, or suggested rewording. This can save you time by avoiding several rounds of manual editing and allow you to produce quality content faster. To monetize these skills, you can work as a freelancer and offer your writing or editing services enhanced by ChatGPT. You can offer your services to individual clients or content agencies that might be interested in this innovative approach. You can charge a fee based on the project, word count, or time spent, taking into account the value ChatGPT adds to your work. So if you're a writer or editor, using ChatGPT can help you improve your productivity, accept more projects, and increase your revenue. By leveraging ChatGPT's capabilities to generate ideas, suggest wording and turns of phrase, and perform basic editing, you can create quality content faster and more efficiently. Whether you work as a freelancer or offer your services to content agencies, this innovative approach can give you a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Application and product development. ChatGPT offers the ability to be integrated into applications and products, which opens up a wide range of possibilities for providing advanced chat functionality. For example, you can create an online chat application that uses ChatGPT to interact with users in an intelligent way and provide relevant responses. This can be useful for customer service platforms, chat forums, or even social networking applications, where ChatGPT can act as an intelligent virtual assistant, providing a smooth and engaging conversational experience for users. In addition, ChatGPT can be used to develop innovative e-learning products. You can create interactive online courses that incorporate ChatGPT to simulate interactions with learners. For example, in a language course, ChatGPT can play the role of a virtual conversation partner, providing answers to learners' questions and guiding them in their practice. This approach offers a more immersive and personalized learning experience, and can be applied to a variety of areas such as vocational training, technical skills training, personal coaching, and more. By marketing these applications and products, you can generate revenue through sales or subscriptions. Users interested in the advanced chat features offered by ChatGPT will be willing to pay for access to these enhanced services. You can offer different pricing plans, provide additional features as paid options, or even create a subscription model to ensure recurring revenue. However, integrating ChatGPT into applications and products requires software development skills and a good understanding of the ChatGPT API. You will need to work closely with the development teams to integrate ChatGPT smoothly and efficiently. It is also important to regularly test and optimize the performance of ChatGPT to ensure a high-quality user experience. Ultimately, ChatGPT represents an exciting opportunity to make money online by leveraging its conversational language capabilities. Whether it's creating paid content, providing virtual assistants, using ChatGPT as a writing tool, or integrating this technology into applications and products, the possibilities are vast. However, it is important to note that success will depend on the quality of the service or product you offer, as well as your ability to promote and market your offering. By investing time and effort in exploring these opportunities, you can leverage ChatGPT to generate online revenue and capitalize on this innovative technology. It's also crucial to stay current with advances in ChatGPT and other similar technologies, as the field of AI is rapidly evolving. Continuing to educate yourself and keep up with the latest improvements will help you maintain a competitive edge and fully exploit the potential of ChatGPT, which will give you all the tips to learn how to save and improve your financial situation today. If you have learned something useful and want to learn more about how to save your money, click on the link in the description to download our 100% free ebook, which will give you all the tips to learn how to save and improve your financial situation today.